Hello and welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a beautiful flip through of the Beauty Close-Up Volume 1. This is from Emoja Ink Press and this is a company that was created to embrace and inspire colourists of all backgrounds to embrace the diverse beauty of black women. It features 34 full page close-up grayscale illustrations and yeah, it has real artists. It's not AI as far as I've been able to find, and it is indeed not on Amazon print paper, so it is not printed or created by Amazon, although it does look a little bit that way. It's got one of those soft covers to it, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you the book as I was requested. They just want people to see these books, see that they're out there, and help people discover them. It's got a little bit of welcome to the beauty close-up, bit of information, colouring tips and techniques, how to share your artwork, and obviously a little bit about their website and where they are on social media. And then you get straight into the book. There are no borders, which I prefer, and I would love to see them come out with a version of this where it was encapsulated and bordered. I just like being able to colour a page that way. But you will see they're beautiful, almost photograph style pieces. It feels like the shiny version, the nicer version of Amazon print paper. It's very, very smooth. The grayscale you'll see is quite dark, but as you guys know, I don't mind that. I love this one. I love her hair. They're all slightly different. Some of them are more pronounced edging to them than the others. Some beautiful hairstyles in here. Love the suggestion of a little bit of age there in the face. Even more so. Really practice different skin textures with these. A little bit of everything for everyone. Different art style to this one. Wow, those earrings, they look heavy. Is that earrings or is that part of her headdress? I'm not sure there. I love the different age ranges they've added. Nice to see. That brings us to the end. On the back there's just a few examples of the pages. It is, let me see now, if I take say a Döryüküyesi book, it's same kind, it's the same size as like your Döryüküyesi, your Christine Caron, so your pretty average colouring book size. And that is Beauty Close-Up Volume 1 by Umoja Ink Press. Hope this was useful, guys, in helping you decide. Beautiful book. Have not seen these before. I'm assuming by the volume that there are other books available from this company that you will be able to find. These are available to purchase on Amazon, I do believe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.